Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. It's a sad day at Kirby's garage. We had a death in the family. My Pittsburgh floor jack bit the dust. Let's have a moment of silence. The good news is I replaced it. And today we're going to take a look at what I bought. I bought a Daytona from Harbor Freight, and let's take a look at it. Alright, I've already cut the tape on the box, so we're just going to lift this off and we'll see what's in it and what we need to do to put it together. Voila. And there it is. We got our bars. I'm assuming that they go in there like that. Got a nice emblem that says Daytona. We'll set that aside for now. We got our owner's manual. 3-ton heavy duty, low profile, long reach floor jack. This was on sale. It was regular $239, and Harbor Freight had their spring Black Friday sale, and I got it for $179. So I'm glad I did. Don't look like there's a whole lot to put together. Looks like it's pretty well complete. Well, that's good. Now the problem is lifting it out of here. This sucker is heavy. Let me tell you. It's got a grease fitting right here too. I guess you can grease this pin right here. That's nice. Let's see if we can't get it out of here without breaking my back. This thing is heavy. Put it down on the floor. Whew. That thing's got to weigh 100 pounds at least. Compared to my old one, this one's much bigger. It's got about a 24-inch reach, which I like. It's low profile. This looks a little small. Not sure if I like that or not. Compared to my other one was round. This one is square. Of course, that's a Pittsburgh. This is Daytona. That's probably what the difference is. I'm not sure what this here is. Like it's got some kind of lock or something on it. I guess I have to get the directions out here. This has to go into here. Like that. I wonder what holds that in. This bolt must hold that handle in. Once you get it all the way in there. There we go. Tighten that. And that holds it in there. That loosens it and tightens it. There must be a locking mechanism, because it's not coming up. When all else fails, read the directions. There's an advertisement for Professional diagnostic tools for the master technician. Well, I'm not a master technician, so I don't qualify. Attaching the handle. Press down on the handle, remove the plastic block. Okay, so I got to push down on the handle and remove that plastic block. Okay, that was easy enough. It also has a foot like that, so you can use your foot to raise it up. That's nice. The wheels are like a plastic wheel. My Pittsburgh have metal wheels. That's kind of wish these were metal. Maybe they are. You know what? I think those are metal. Yes, they are metal wheels. So that's good. Like I said, it's quite large. Let's get the tape measure and see.
A few moments later.
Looks like the widest width is 10.5 inches. From the front wheel to the back is right around 32 inches. Compared to my Pittsburgh, the Pittsburgh widest is 9 inches and the length is about 26 inches. So it's quite a bit bigger than the Pittsburgh. Like I said, I've had the Pittsburgh for probably at least 12 years. And it's been a great jack, and I've rebuilt it once and it worked for a little while, and then the other day I was using I was jacking something up and it wouldn't go up all the way. So I decided it was time to replace it, and this is what I replaced it have. I've never owned the Daytona before, but probably what I'll do is I'll do a follow-up video, and we will see as time goes how good it is. Okay, we've got it on the floor. It rolls very nice. I like it. The handle stays in. It also has a button here, so if you want to take the top of the handle off and use it like that, you can. And just squeeze that little button and it pops into place right there. It also has a foot pedal, so if you want to jack it up before you put any weight on it and get it where you need it, you can use the foot pedal to jack it. And then once you get it where you want it, you can finish jacking it up with that. And that is pretty high. That's as high as it goes right there. That's supposed to be 24. That's probably, I bet you, a good 5-6 inches higher than that Pittsburgh went up. To release it and lower it, just turn the handle counterclockwise and it goes down. Just like that, and it fits. Or I kept the Pittsburgh, which is under my toolbox, just like that. Okay, we're going to jack up my Jeep and try this thing out. See how it works. I can't use well, I probably can. Just like that. Make sure it's turned all the way one way. It's pretty high. Works good. I gotta air the tires up on this Jeep. Lowering it. It seems to have good control. Lower it down. Works good. But only time will tell. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I'm glad you came to watch it. I hope this helps you in purchasing a floor jack for yourself. The Daytona seems to have good reviews, and so far what I see I like. Anyway, please subscribe to this channel. I have hit 100,000 subscribers. Yay! Anyway, thanks for all of the subscriptions. I appreciate that 1,000 subscriber. You're good on my book. And we'll see you next time. Good luck on your projects. In the next couple of days, I'll be having the third and final installment on my shelves to drawer conversion. And so I'm looking forward to getting that posted, and I hope you're looking forward to seeing it. We'll see you next time.